How to personalize categories in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Personalize. Simply tap on it. Now here, there are different categories that you can personalize. So basically, there are sports and finance. Now simply tap on the one. And here on the bottom, tap on add more. So here you'll be able to add your favorite sports or even different clubs. So after you do that, it will automatically provide all the updates and detail that is going on related to the club or the sports that you have just chosen. So it will be very beneficial because all the information will be provided in a short period of time, and you can even update and view it as a news. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.